How to fix YouTube sound not working problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your device volume. For that, you can swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Now here you'll find this volume icon. Increase it to the full volume. After you set it to full volume, you can launch your YouTube and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, what you have to do is update your YouTube app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app YouTube. After app appears at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether the sound is working or not. Likewise, what you can do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of general. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Find the app YouTube. Once you find it, open it. Then click on upload app. Click on upload app. Once you upload the app, click on reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix YouTube sound not working problem. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.